Sometimes we discount the small wins. We're like, I didn't make 10,000. I didn't make 50,000. I think we come in and we see stocks like GameStop or AMC that shot way up and shot way down. And we think sometimes as traders or investors that that's the norm versus realizing that's abnormal for these stocks to shoot up and shoot down like that. And it's even more abnormal for you to catch it and be in the stock at the right time with the right amount of shares to capitalize on that. When you think about baseball, it's just getting on base, not hitting home runs, not going for the grand slam. What's normal is just getting on base. Can you do anything to hit it and just run to base number one? And that's what I want to talk about with respect to your trading. So let me give you a couple examples here. Michael, one of our members inside the university, he posted, I'm excited about this one because it was well planned out and it didn't seem like I was just throwing money at a trade to see what sticks. He basically made $720, a little over 20% in one day. And he only used $3,530 to do this. And so we're not talking about a huge amount of money. He took $3,530 and with the skill of learning how to read the stock chart, learning the best time to buy, the best time to sell, he was able to apply the strategy using options and he made $720. Now that might not seem like a lot. Some people might be like, man, y'all doing all that for $720. But if you're thinking like that, you're not getting the bigger picture concept. If you or if Michael were to continue at this pace and make $720 a day, not getting greedy, not swinging for the fences, not trying to hit the home run at a grand slam, $720 a day times 20 trading days, his account would grow $14,400. I don't know who you are listening to this episode. I don't know where you're listening to this episode. I don't know your financial situation, but here's what I do know. $14,400 extra dollars at the end of 30 days would change anybody's life. That's a nice down payment on a car, a home. That's new gutters. That's a nice dinner for your wife, your husband, your spouse, significant other. That is college tuition for the first semester, maybe for your kid, depending on where they go. That is a lot of money, and that's only in 30 days. That would be $172,800 at the end of the year. But you saying, Jason Brown, he's not going to be right every single day and make $720. You're right. Let's say he got it half right. That's $86,000. Let's just say he's not even that good. Let's just say he got it 25% right. That means he is only able to do this 5 days out of the month, and he's able to do that over 12 months. So what if he got it 25% right? That's extra $43,200 at the end of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, I am telling you that is somebody's full-time salary. But it didn't start with him just waking up making someone's full-time salary. It started with him learning the skill and learning how to make $720 a day. So that is the power in baby steps and not trying to hit home runs. Let me give you another example. So Tanisha, she's in our elite program. It's my higher level mastermind. We get to work more directly, more closely, private group chat, etc. But Tanisha said, good morning, team. Just reporting my Amazon puts paid off this morning. I made $2,100, which was 47% return in just 11 days. And if that's a 41% return, that means she used about $4,000 to do that. So we're not talking this huge amount of money. Now, if you take that same $2,100 and you divide it by 11 days, she made about $190 a day. And so you can see where these small base hits really start to add up. If you think about it, $2,100 is what some people get back for their tax return. I'm trying to put this thing in perspective, which is good money is what I'm trying to say. That's good money. Like if an extra $2,000 fell in my lap in 11 days, I'm like, thank you, Jesus. Okay. This is real money that's able to be made from learning the skill and then putting not a lot of money to work, $4,000, $3,300 roughly to work. And these are the type of numbers that are possible. If you're feeling overwhelmed, I'm talking to you. If you're feeling like you lost some money in the past, you don't know how you're going to get it back. Or if you like, I don't have enough money to do this. I only have $3,000, $5,000. I'm talking to you because you don't need a lot of money And if you've lost money before, it doesn't take a lot to make it back. It takes $730 a day, and you can make possibly $170,000 this year. So if you lost $100,000, you can get it all back plus 70,000 more. And if you lost $100,000 and you get it half right, half wrong, you can get $80,000 back. Where could your financial life be? And so this is the power of just bunting, just getting on first base, not running the plate, not bases loaded, not swinging for the fence, not blowing up your account and not living to trade another day, but just taking a small amount, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 and learning how to get on first base. I want you to be encouraged. I want you to think, I can do this. Michael, Tanisha, they're no special than me. They just learned a skill that I don't know, and they apply a skill that I don't know. So if you learn the skill, practice and apply it, I could be reading your name, your testimony about how much you made in one day or 11 days. So I want you to get in the game, and then I only want you to swing to get on first base. I guarantee you first base adds up, and we'll eventually run the plate and come home with some money. I'll see you in the next episode.